What do you have?
Candy.
Candy.
Yeah.
Because it's Halloween? Can you say trick or treat? Trick or treat.
Oh, open cake. I candy open. I candy open.
You want Mommy to open the candy?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you say trick or treat?
Cake. No. No cake. I take it.